back with another video. Hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna be rating my cars from GTA 5. Come on, move. Bro, why every time I crash, my car won't move? No music. I don't want to get copyrighted. No, not that either. No. I don't know what's copyrighted and what's not, and loud sounds is rain coming from outside. So we're gonna be rating my car, like how fast they are, the looks, everything. But it's my super old account. Literally just got back on. I'm pretty sure I had a red and orange car? Pretty sure I did. Okay. Oh shit! Yeah, this is the car I was talking about. So, first we're gonna be doing. Go! Hold up. Don't you guys get me mad. Okay, first we'll be rating this one. You guys seen what it looked like already. It's one of the best cars I have. Looks better at nighttime, but it's still a baddie. So we're just gonna be, we're just gonna drive to the haircut place and back, so you guys can rate how fast it is. Woo! That shit barely gets scratched. The thing is 100. But look at the dark. You see how the pink lights is green and pink. I have this auto reset. So. Oh! Alright, you guys see that? I give that like a 8.5. 8.5 right there. 8.5. So you see this? It's red and black. I like how I get in it. This is a car that I like wouldn't go for, like something that if I would, because this is cheap. I would build it for cheap if I didn't have enough money. Now the haircut place and back. This boy can go fast too. He's only like $100,000. Now we're gonna go back. We got one more car to rate. Like and subscribe, and if we hit 15 likes, okay? 15 likes. I'll do a part 2. But it's gonna be like Lambo, Ferrari, and stuff like that on my account that I always use. Look. You see that, yes? You see that? Right there. $18,000. No, 18 million, I mean. God. Come here now, boy. Alright, we got the last car rating. The last car. Okay. Get into it. No, not this. Not the bad. Okay, this car, it's like car if you didn't have enough money and you only have like $100,000, $200,000, and you needed some, like a fast car to go around in races and stuff, like yeah, you'll like to use this. It's like a plain fast car. It's like a car you would steal off the road. Oh crap! No, 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 no. It's got to be going for a long time without stopping to go decently fast. This car, the red car, I give it like a 7.2. This car, I give like, let's be honest, a 4.2. Yeah, 4.4. No, 4.5. 4.5, yeah. That's a 4.5. We're rating him out of 10. This is a 4.5. At the end of this, I'm going to be showing my cameraman with awesome hands. Literally, the video is not even shook that much. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I rated all of them. Right here. 4.5. 8.5. 7.5. And as always, like, subscribe. Here's the cameraman. Like and subscribe. And if you want a part 2, 15 likes. 15 likes. And remember, my Pokemon binder. 100 subscribers. My 100 subscribers winning it. As always, like, subscribe, comment, hit the notifications.